Hey signers, welcome to yet another episode of Learn How to Sign. Today we are going to do part 2 of our 150 essential signs in ASL. This video is part 2 out of 6, and we're doing 25 words per video. That sounds more manageable, right?
No. Right, no.
If you miss part 1, you can click here or in the descriptions to go back to watch it. However, the order doesn't matter so much. The goal by the end of this series is for you to be able to carry on a basic conversation with a deaf person. I promise you can do it.
You can do it!
In this video, we're going to focus on people and conversation signs. Before we get started, here are a few tips to help you learn ASL. Sign with me. It will be so much easier to remember if you sign along with me. Speaking of watching again, repetition is the key to learning anything new, especially a new language. So watch these videos regularly to fully retain all of the information. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified. We're uploading new videos every week, so be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Let's go ahead and learn how to sign about 25 or so of the 150 most important signs in ASL. Just like in any language, it's important to know who you're talking to and what you're talking about. So we're going to learn several signs about people and subjects. What are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. Ask you. Ask you. You're moving the sign ask to a person. Ask you. Boy. Boy. It's referencing to a baseball cap. Boy. Deaf or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Deaf. Girl. Girl. Girls used to wear bonnets, and they had a string right under their chin. So this is referencing to that string. Girl. Give to you. Give to you. It's a sign give, but you're moving it to the person you're giving it to. Give to you. Hearing. Hearing. This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. I or me. You're just pointing with your index finger towards yourself. I or me. Man. Man. You're coming from the top of the head down to your chest. Man. My or mine. It's a flat hand just put right here on your chest. My or mine. Woman. Woman. It's the 5 hand starting at your chin, going down to your chest. Woman. Work. Work. Your 2 fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work. You. You. You're using your index finger and pointing to you. You. Your. Your. Your flat hand is pushing towards somebody. Your. When you sign me, it can also be used for he, she, or it, we, you, you all, and they. The same can be done with the possessive hand, my. It can be your, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs. Now let's jump into conversational signs. Several of these are negation signs, which means that they have a negative connotation. Be sure to shake your head side to side when you are signing these. So let's learn how to sign some conversational signs. Chat. Chat. Because deaf people use their hands to chat. Chat. Come. Come. It's the sign go to, but moving in towards yourself. Come. Haven't. Not yet. Make sure that you shake your head back and forth when you do this. Haven't. Not yet. Late. Late. You're pushing it back like into the past. Late. Look or see or watch. These are your eyes looking at something. Look, see, or watch. Love it. Love it. You're kissing the back of your hand, showing that you love something. Now, this isn't the sign for love. This is like, I love pizza. Love it. Pay attention. Pay attention. Think of horse blinders narrowing the view of what they can see. Pay attention. Say. Say. You're pointing to your mouth, referencing what was just said. Say or said. Sign or signing. You're moving your hands in towards yourself when you're doing it. Sign or signing. Tell. Tell. Your index finger is coming from your mouth, telling somebody something. Tell. All right, now that you've learned several signs for people and conversations, let's put some inside of a sentence. That way, when you're done with this video, you can start using it. I'm late for work. I, late, work, I. Make sure that you're ending it with a closing signal and your late does this with your tongue. Are you deaf? You, deaf you? You're leaning forward and your eyebrows are up because you're asking a yes/no question. Can you give me the book, please? Give me book, please. The give me is moving toward yourself. I'm hearing. I hearing, I. Be sure to end it with that closing signal. I love signing ASL. Signing ASL, love it. And remember, this love it is for loving something, not someone. Awesome! You made it to the end. I hope this was helpful. I encourage you to keep at it. You don't have to start here. This is just one video in a 6-part series. You can click here to watch the playlist and find the links in the descriptions. Don't forget to practice these signs and phrases with your friends and family, or even in front of the mirror. We are making videos like this every week, so subscribe if you want to see more. Check out our signing dictionary on learnhowtosign.org. We're also working on some fun sign language apparel, so keep an eye out for that. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.